Good morning, dear students. So, last class we studied about mole concept. So, what is mole? So, mole is the unit to measure the amount of substance. And again, we know this mole is expressed in terms of number. Mole is expressed in terms of mass, and mole is expressed in terms of volume. So, in terms of number, 1 mole equal to 6.022 10 to the power 23. And in terms of mass, 1 mole is equal to gram atomic mass for elements, and gram, this is for elements, and gram molecular mass, that is for molecules or compounds. This is for compounds or elements. Compounds or elements. So here the elements which exist in molecular form, for that gram molecular mass, and element which exist in atomic mass, that is for gram in atomic form. The atoms which exist in free state, for that gram atomic mass, and the atoms which do not exist in free state, generally exist in molecular form, for that gram molecular mass. So compounds and some elements. And mole is also 22.4 liter at NTP. That is only applicable for gases. So all these we know in last class. Next, how to determine the number of moles present. So if now to determine the number of moles, there are different so we can determine the number of moles if the number given, or if mass given, or if the volume of a gas given. So number of moles, that is given number divided by 6.022 10 to the power 23. Similarly, number of moles, or we can say number of gram atoms. Number of moles or number of gram atoms, that is equal to given mass divided by gram atomic mass. Given mass by gram atomic mass. Suppose how many moles are there in 80 gram of calcium. So 80 gram of calcium, you know the atomic mass of calcium is 40 mu, and the gram atomic mass of calcium is 40 gram. So given weight, given 80 by 40, that is 2 gram atoms. We can say 2 gram atom, also known as 2 mole. So gram atom also known as mole. Okay. Similarly, so 2 gram and 2 gram atom, these two are different things. 2 gram atom means that is 2 mole, and 2 gram means that weight is 2 gram. Similarly, number of moles, that is, or number of gram molecules, or number of gram molecules, that is also known as gram moles. So all these equal to given mass divided by gram molecular mass. Gram molecular given mass by gram molecular mass. Suppose one question given, how many moles are there in 32 gram of methane? How many moles are there in 32 gram of methane? Look here the weight given 32 gram. That means weight is 32 gram, not given gram moles or gram molecules. So 32 gram methane. How many moles are there in 32 gram of methane? So you know the molecular mass of methane, that is equal to molecular mass of methane is equal to 16 mu. So methane has formula CH4 12 plus 4, that is 16 AMU, and then gram molecular mass, that is equal to 16 gram. Gram molecular mass, that is equal to 16 gram. In this way, how many number of moles given mass by gram molecular mass, that is equal to 32 by 16, that is equal to 2 gram mole. 2 gram mole or 2 mole or 2 gram molecule. All things are same. And again, number of molecules is also determined by volume. So you know, so these are the just 2 examples. So this is the formula. Point 8, mark out it. Okay. Next, another way, number of moles, that is equal to given volume at given volume of gas at NTP, given volume of gas at NTP divided by 22.4 liter. If this is given in liter, if this is given in ml, you have to express in ml, milliliter. Okay, so in this way you can find out the number of moles. Now let us discuss some problems, work out some problems, so that it becomes easier to understand the mole concept. Okay. Let us work out some problems. Given how many atoms of oxygen is that? So let us start from the last one so that I get some space to work out here. Calculate the number of electrons present in 1.6 gram of methane. So this relation is mole related with number. Mole in terms of number. Mole and number or mole related with number. Okay? Mole and number related problem. Calculate the number of electrons present in 1.6 gram of methane. So first this is given. We know methane has molecular mass. So molecular mass of methane, that is equal to 16 mu. Then gram molecular mass of methane, that is equal to 16 gram. Okay. Then what is the number of moles? Number of moles. How much? 6. That is, so given number 1.6 gram, 1.6 by 16, 0.1. Okay, so number of moles 0.1. See, 1.6 by 16, 0.1 mole. Then 1 mole of methane contain how many molecules? 1 mole means 6.02 10 to the power 23. That is 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules. Then 0.1 mole of methane contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 into 0.1 number of molecules. That is 6.022 10 to the power 22. Next, one molecule of methane contain how many electrons? You know methane has formula CH4. So here carbon, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen. So 1 carbon, number of electrons 6. 1 hydrogen has 1 electron and 4 hydrogen has 4 electron. In this way, total number of electrons in one methane molecule, that is equal to 10 electron. One molecule of methane contains 10 electron. Then this much number of molecules, 6.022 10 to the power 22 molecules of methane contain, that is 6.022 10 to the power 22 into 10. This value 6.022 10 to the power 23 electrons. Okay, so in this way 1.6 gram of methane contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 number of electrons. So first find out mole. From mole calculate how many number of molecules and one molecule contain how many electrons and what is the given molecules, then that number of molecules contain how many number of electrons. In this way you can solve this type of problem. Next come to question number 2. Given how many atoms of oxygen and hydrogen are present in 0.15 mole of water. Already mole is given, so no need to find out what is the mole. So water has formula H2O. Again 1 mole contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules of water. Okay, molecules of water. Then 0.15 mole contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 into 0.15 molecules of H2O. Okay, again one molecule, but question given not molecules, question given how many atoms of oxygen and hydrogen. So one molecule of water contain how many number of oxygen? 1 oxygen. So this much number of molecules of water contain how many oxygen? Just multiply. So 1 molecule of water contain 1 atom of oxygen. So 6.02 to 10 to 23 to 0.15, 6.022 10 to the power 23 into 0.15 molecule of water contain how many electron? This much of electron, so this much of oxygen, 6.022 10 to the power 23 into 0.15. So the answer is 9.03 10 to the power 22. So just multiply that contain that many number of oxygen atom. So this much number of oxygen atom. And one molecule of water contain how many hydrogen atom? 2 hydrogen atom. Hence number of hydrogen atoms. Number of hydrogen atoms, that is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 23, 0.15 into 2, 1.8 into 10 to the power 23. Number of hydrogen atom. Number of hydrogen atoms. Okay. So this is question number 2. Next come to question number 1. How many atoms of each are present in 143 grams of washing soda? 143 grams of washing soda. So first find out what is the molecular formula, molecular mass. So molecular mass of washing soda. So 2 into 23 plus 12 plus 3 into 16 plus 10 into 18. So this is equal to 46, 12, 48, 180, 286. 286. Then gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass of washing soda. Washing soda 286 gram. 286 gram. Molecular mass 286 AMU. Gram molecular mass 286 gram. So 286 gram means 1 mole, that contains 6.022 10 to the power 23 number of molecules. Okay, so 286 gram. Then number of moles. Number of moles, that is 143 given weight by gram molecular mass 286, 0.5 mole. Okay, so this value equal to 0.5 mole. Again 1 mole contain 1 mole contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 number of Na2CO3 dot 10H2O washing soda molecule. Then 0.5 mole contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 into 0.5 number of Na2CO3 3.011 10 to the power 23 number of Na2CO3. So 143 gram contain this much number of Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Okay, next 1 molecule of so this mole of this much number of washing soda molecule we get. Next, one molecule of Na2CO3 dot 10H2O dot 10H2O contain, one molecule contain how many sodium atom? 2 sodium atom, 1 carbon atom, 20 hydrogen atom, and 3 plus 10 13 oxygen atom. So one molecule contain this much. Then 0.5 mole, that means 3.011 10 to the power 23 molecules contain. So 3.011 into 2, that is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 23 sodium atom. That is equal to 3.011 10 to the power 23 carbon atom. That is equal to 6.022 3.011 into 20, 3.011 into 20, that is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 24 number of hydrogen atom, and this value 3.011 10 to the power 23 into 13 number of oxygen atoms. So in this way you can find out the number of atoms present in each of. Next come to another relation, that is mole in terms of mass. So here also 3 questions we will discuss from last to first. The density of water at room temperature is 1.0 gram per ml. How many molecules are there in a drop of water? Any relation given, first to find out that is in terms of mole, so that it becomes easier for you. The density of water at room temperature is 1.0 gram per ml. How many molecules are there in a drop of water if its volume is 0.05 ml? So here given density and here given volume, then what is the weight of or mass of one drop of water? Mass of one drop of water, that is equal to 0.05 into ml into 1 gram per ml, that is 0.05 gram. Then molar mass of water, that is equal to H2O, 2 here 2 into 1 plus 16, that is equal to 18 gram per mole. This is 18 gram. Molar mass of water, that is equal to 18 gram. So 18 gram contain how many number of molecules? That is 6.022 10 to the power 23 number of molecules. Then what is the weight given? 0.05 gram. Then 0.05 gram of water contain how many number of molecules? Then 6.022 10 to the power 23 by 18. So 6.022 10 to the power 23 by 18 into 0.05. The answer is 1.68 Okay, so in this way you find out this type of answer. First find out moles. Next, come to question number 2. What weight of calcium contains the same number of atoms as present in 3.2 gram of sulfur? In 3.2 gram of sulfur. So, the gram atomic mass of sulfur. Gram atomic mass of sulfur, that is equal to 32 gram. That is equal to 1 mole. Number of moles in 3.2 gram of sulfur, that is equal to 3.2 by 32, 0.1 mole. Okay. Next, so 1 mole contain how many number of molecules? 6.022 atoms given. 1 mole contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. Then, so 1 mole 6.022 10 to the power 23 sulfur atom. Then 0.1 mole, that is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 23 into 0.1, 6.022 10 to the power 22 sulfur atom. So 3.2 gram of sulfur contain 6.022 10 to the 23 sulfur atoms. Again question given, what weight of calcium contain the same number of atoms as present in 3.2 gram of sulfur. Again, gram atomic mass of calcium, how much? 40 gram, that is equal to 1 mole, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. So 6.022 10 to the power 23 number of atoms of calcium has weight 40 gram. Then 6.022 10 to the power 22 number of calcium atom has weight. How much? That is equal to 40 by 6.022 10 to the power 23 into 6.022 10 to the power 22. That is equal to 4 gram. So in this way, what weight of calcium contains? 4 gram of calcium contains the same number of atoms as present in 3.2 gram of sulfur. Next, move to question number 1. In a bank, there are as many coins as the number of molecules in 1.6 microgram of methane. How many coins are there in the bank? So in this way, first gram molecular mass of methane, that is equal to 16 gram. The number of moles in 1.6 microgram of methane, that is equal to given weight by molecular mass. This is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 gram. So 1 micro equal 10 to the minus 6 gram divided by 16. That is equal to 10 to the power minus 7 mole. Then 1 mole equal to 6.022. 10 to the power 23. 10 to the power minus 7 mole. 6.022. 10 to the power 23. 10 to the power minus 7. So that is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 16. 10 to the power 16 number. So if it is given number, then how many points are there? So in terms of mole, 10 to the power minus 7 moles are present, and in terms of number, 10 to the power 6.022 10 to the power 16 numbers are present. Okay. Next come to some other problems where mole is represented in terms of volume, or problems relating mole in terms of volume. Here also 3 questions. Let us discuss from last to first. Calculate the volume on NTP occupied by 14 gram of nitrogen, 1.5 gram mole of carbon dioxide, 10 to the 21 molecules of oxygen. So if we know the gram molecular mass of nitrogen, gram molecular mass of nitrogen 28 gram, that is also equal to 1 mole. So, and gram molecular mass of a gas is known as 1 mole, and it has volume at NTP is 22.4 liter. Whatever may be gas, at NTP 1 mole of that gas has volume always 22.4 liter. So it has volume 22.4 liter. That is also known as gram molecular volume. That is also known as gram molecular volume. So 28 gram of nitrogen has volume 22.4 liter. Then 14 gram of nitrogen has volume 22.4 by 28 into 14. So that is equal to 11.2 liter. Okay, or gram molecule 28 gram. So how many moles? 14 gram means half mole. 1 mole has volume 22.4 liter. Then half mole has volume 22.4 by 2, 11.2 liter. Either you solve in terms of weight, or you can solve in terms of mole. Next, given 1.5 gram mole of carbon dioxide. So here it is not given gram, here given grams, and here given gram mole. Gram mole means only that is the mole. So 1 mole, or that is equal to 1 gram mole of carbon dioxide at NTP has volume 22.4 liter. Then given 1.5 gram mole of carbon dioxide at NTP has volume 22.4 into 1.5, that is 33.6 liter. So 1.5 gram mole of carbon dioxide has volume 33.6 liter. Next, 10 to the power 21 molecules of oxygen. So we know 6.022 10 to the power 23, that volume 22.4 liter. 6.0 into 23 equal to 1 mole. So 6.0 to 10 to 23 number of molecules of oxygen means 1 mole of oxygen. It has volume equal to 22.4 liter. Then given 10 to the power 21 molecules of oxygen has volume. Oxygen have volume. Oxygen have volume 22.4 by 6.022 10 to the power 23 into 10 to the power 21. That is equal to 37.2 ml. Okay, 37.2 ml. So in this way, so 22,400 liter, or I can apply here 22,400 ml. So it is 37.2 ml. Next come to question number 2. A sample of gaseous substance weighing 0.5 gram occupies a volume of 1.12 liter under NTP condition. Calculate the molar mass of the gas. So how to calculate the molar mass? So the mass of gram molecular volume. Gram molecular volume. The mass of gram molecular volume of a gas is known as its gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass. So the mass of gram molecular volume of a gas, that is known as your gram molecular mass. So we have to find out what is the mass of gram molecular volume. And what is the value of gram molecular volume? So gram molecular volume for any gas, it is constant. As 1 mole is constant, that is 22. As 1 mole is constant, that is 6.022 10 to 23. Similarly, gram molecular volume at NTP is always a constant, that is 22.4 liter. So we have to find out what is the weight of 22.4 liter of the gas. Okay, so given 1.12 liter of a gas has weight that is equal to 0.5 gram. Then 22.4 liter of a gas has weight that is 0.5 by 1.12 into 22.4, that is equal to 10 gram. So the gram molecular mass or the molar mass of the gas is 10 gram. Gram molecular mass, also known as molar mass. So the molar mass is 10 gram. Okay. Next come to, so in this way, what is the relation? How to find out the molecular mass? That is the given weight. Suppose the given weight by volume, given weight by given volume into 22.4 liter, or given weight by volume in liter in ml. When it is given in ml, then multiply by 22,400. In this way you can find out the molecular mass. Okay, molecular mass, weight by volume in liter into 22.4 or weight by volume in ml into 22,400. You can find out what is the molecular mass of a substance, of a gas. Not any substance but only applicable for gas. Next come to question number 1. Calculate the number of carbon atoms and oxygen atoms present in 11.2 liter of carbon dioxide at NTP. Again, 1 mole equal to 22.4 liter. Then, so 22.4 liter of carbon dioxide equal to 1 mole. 11.2 liter of carbon dioxide, 1 by 22.4 into 11.2, that is equal to half mole. Okay. Next, 1 mole of carbon dioxide contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 molecules of carbon dioxide. Then half mole of carbon dioxide contain 6.022 10 to the power 23 by 2. That is 3.011 10 to the power 23 of molecules of carbon dioxide. Okay. Again, 1 carbon dioxide molecule contain 1 atom of carbon and 2 atom of oxygen. 1 atom of carbon and 2 atom of oxygen. And how many number of molecule you get? 3.011 10 to the power 23 molecules of carbon dioxide contain how many number now? 3.011 10 to 23 molecules of carbon dioxide contain, that is 3.011 10 to the power 23 carbon and 2 into 3.011 10 to the 23, that is 6.011 10 to the power 23 number of oxygen atom. So, the number of carbon atoms in 11.2 liter carbon dioxide is 3.011 10 to the power 23 and in number of oxygen atoms 6.011 in 10 to the power 23. Next come to some other miscellaneous questions. Okay, that deals with mole concept. 16 gram of an ideal gas occupies 5.6 liter at NTP. What is the molecular mass? So we know to find out the molecular mass, we have to find out what is its weight. What is the weight of 22.4 liter of gas? That is gram molecular volume of the gas. Okay. So 5.6 liter at NTP of a 5.6 liter at NTP of a gas has weight 16 gram. Then 22.4 liter at NTP of a gas has weight 16 weight by 5.6 into 22.4, that is 4 in this way, this value 64 gram. So its gram molecular mass is 64 gram, hence the molecular mass is 64 mu. 64 gram or the molecular mass is 64 mu. Next come to question number 2. Calculate the number of moles of each in the following. So given 392 gram of sulfuric acid. So 392 gram of sulfuric acid. Gram molecular mass of sulfuric acid. Gram molecular mass of sulfuric acid, it is equal to 2 into 1 plus 32 plus 4 into 16, 98 gram. Then number of moles. Given weight 392 divided by 98, that is equal to 4 mole. So 392 gram of sulfuric acid equal to 4 mole. Next, 44.8 liter of sulfur dioxide. Again we know 22.4 liter of gas equal to 1 mole. Then 44.8 liter of gas, that is sulfur dioxide given, that is equal to given volume 44.8 by 22.4, that is equal to 2 mole. So 44.8 liter of sulfur dioxide equal to 2 mole. Next, 6.022 10 to the power 22 molecules of oxygen. We know 6.022 10 to the power 23 equal to 1 mole. Then 6.022 10 to the power 22 equal to given number by this number 6.022 10 to the power 22 by 6.022 10 to the power 23, 0.1 mole. Then 8 gram of calcium. So gram atomic mass of calcium is 40. So 40 gram of calcium equal to 1 mole. Then 8 gram of calcium equal to given weight by gram atomic mass 1 by 8 into 40, that is 40, so 1 by 40 into 8 given weight by gram atomic mass, that is equal to 1 by 5 mole, 0.2 mole. Okay. Next come to question number 1. The cost of table salt, NaCl and sugar C12H22O11 are Rs2 per kg and Rs6 per kg respectively. Calculate the cost for 1 mole. So NaCl gram molecular mass 23 plus 35.5 58.5 gram. Okay. So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 1000 gram of NaCl has price, that is Rs2, that is 2 rupees. Then 58.5 gram of NaCl has price, that is 200 paise, by 1000 into 58.5. Okay, so calculate this. 0.117 pairs. Okay. Next, RS6 for kg. Then given salt and sugar. So this is for sodium chloride. Next come for sugar. So for sugar, gram molecular mass of sugar, that is 12 into 12 plus 1 into 22 plus 11 into 16, that is equal to 342 gram. Okay. So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 1000 gram of sugar has cost, that is equal to 6 RS6, that is equal to 600 pairs. Then 342 gram of sugar, because that is equal to 1 mole. 342 gram of sugar has cost, that is equal to 600 divided by 342 into, so 1600 divided by 1000, this much, so 6000 by 1000 into 342. So find out its value. So this is nearly equal to 2 pairs. Okay, so in this way you can solve different numerical problems related to mole concept.